Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Myself Vipin Mishra and I welcome you all in this video where I am going to discuss about all popular MTech specialization or top MTech specialization for EC electrical students. The results are out now. You have seen your score, right? Now you must be wondering that which IIT you can get as per your score, and in those particular IIT which specialization will be good for you, right? Whether the specialization that you are looking for has a good future scope, whether it is going to give you multiple opportunities, whether you are into right kind of specialization so that you can have a better career growth. So if you are running behind these questions, this is a must to watch video for you, right? How to choose a particular specialization depends upon your area of interest, right? As per your area of interest, you can choose a particular specialization. Secondly, if you are confused about that actually what option you should choose, then you can choose as per the future aspect of that particular specialization, how much growth this specialization is going to give you. If you are going to have your MTech degree, further if you are going to have further research like PhD or anything else, right, what will be the growth that you can expect in that particular specialization? These are the factors, these are the questions that you should ask yourself. And if you are really looking after these questions, this is a must to watch video for you. I'm going to answer all these aspects, right? Now before I proceed, I would like to request you to join our Telegram channel so that you will keep on getting regular updates about all the PSU notification, everything related to GATE and all those things that we are answering in this particular video as well, right? Now talking about popular MTech specialization, so the first one and the very popular one is VLSI design, right? Right now, this specialization is very much popular, microelectronics and VLSI design. You know, the kind of reputation that IT sector is having in India, and what is that reputation? That it is the biggest job provider. Same reputation the VLSI sector is also going to have in the future, because it will become the biggest job provider in India as well. The kind of growth this sector is having, if it will keep on growing in this way, this sector is going to rock in upcoming days, right? So this is the right time to have your specialization in this particular sector and become the part of this industry, and your growth will be exponential, right? So if I talk about the scope, what is the scope of this specialization? So it focuses on semiconductor technology, chip design and fabrication, right? High demand in semiconductor giants like Intel, AMD, TSMC, Qualcomm, all these are big name. So many others are there like Samsung, okay? So many names are there in this particular area. So many big companies are there and they are investing like anything. There are opportunities in R&D lab and electronic manufacturing industry. If I talk about number of job and the growth that this sector is going to have, expected to create 10 lakh jobs by 2030. Become the part of this industry right now and enjoy the fruits of it in the future, right? Top institutes, so IITs. If I talk about IIT and ISC, so ISC Bangalore, IIT Bombay, Madras, Delhi, Kharagpur are the top institute for this particular thing. NIT Tirchi, NIT Warangal and NIT Calicut are the top NITs, right? So are you looking for microelectronics and VLSI design as well? Comment in the comment box. If I talk about the next specialization, then this is power electronics and drive. In microelectronics and VLSI that we discuss, EC, electrical, IN, all students can apply. Power electronics and drive is basically for electrical students, right? So without electricity we cannot imagine anything, and power electronics deal with the control and conversion of electricity, right? So it is also one of the very popular specialization that has a good number of growth as well, right? Growth opportunities as well. So if I talk about scope, so it has applications in electric vehicle, all those renewable energy applications, all those industrial automation application and consumer electronics. They deal with power electronics. Power electronics modules are there inside all those things. It has high demand in companies like Tesla, ABB, Siemens, Schneider Electric, General Electric, all those are the big giants of power electronics. Research in energy efficient devices and converters, right? The research will be more on these areas. So when you are going to join MTech in power electronics, basically you will be dealing with energy efficient devices and converters. Talking about the jobs or the future growth, so by 2030, 80% of global electric power will rely on power electronics. The size of power electronics in upcoming 10 years is going to become 5 times as per the reports. So become the part of this particular industry right now, and in future you are going to enjoy the fruits, right? Talking about top institutes, so IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, IIT Roorkee are the top is IITs. NIT Tirchi, NIT Surathkal, NIT Warangal are the top NITs to pursue your MTech from power electronics and drives, right? So second, very popular MTech specialization that has a good scope. Third is power system, also again for electrical students. So talking about future scope, so it focuses on power generation, transmission, distribution and smart grid, right? So without electricity and its control and how electricity will be generated, transmitted and it will be distributed, okay, how smart grids can be managed, all those things will be dealt under power system, right? This is a kind of sector which you see all around you. So this is the right time, pursue your MTech in this sector and you can enjoy the future growth of this career as well, right? Careers in power plant, renewable energy and smart grid. Right now renewable energy is a lot more popular right now. India is accelerating towards this renewable energy sector. Right now the participation of renewable energy in total generation of electricity is around 43%. It is expected that by 2030 it will raise to 50%. So the way the renewable sector is going on, or ultimately the power sector is growing on, this will become the biggest job provider as well, and this sector is going to have a good growth as well, right? So research opportunities are there in energy efficiency and sustainability. Research opportunities are there in smart grid technologies, right? And if I talk about number of jobs, so India's renewable energy sector is going to create 3.5 million jobs by 2030. This is then expectation, correct? So do your MTech in this specialization, have some core knowledge here as well, have some expert knowledge here as well, and you know this area is like an ocean. You have a lot to contribute in this area, correct? Talking about the top institutes, so IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, Kanpur and Madras are there in terms of IITs. In terms of NIT, NIT Tirchi, Warangal and Surathkal are there, right? Next specialization is control system engineering. This is also very good, you know. Talking about robotics, talking about AI driven technologies, control system has a good part to play there, right? So you can also pursue your MTech in this specialization. Scope, it deals with automation, robotics and process control, and right now this is a time of automation, robotics and process control. So have this have your expertise in this specialization. Key industries where you can work are aerospace, manufacturing, defense and automotive. R&D opportunities are there in AI driven control application as well. Now AI is also coming, so control plus AI plus robotics, the future belongs to them only, right? So it is expected that by 2030 engineers will drive automation and AI driven cyber physical systems. So a lot of scopes are there. Top institutes are IIT Kharagpur, Bombay and Madras. Top NITs are Tirchi, Warangal and Calicut, right? Next specialization is communication system, okay? This sector is also one of the fastest growing sector in India, and not only in India, in world as well. New technologies are coming, new systems are coming. You have a lot to contribute in this particular area. So it focuses on wireless satellite communication and Internet of Things networks, right? Carriers are there in Ericsson, Nokia, Qualcomm and ISRO, right? Research in 5G, 6G, optical network, satellite technology, like you can work in companies like ISRO, DRDO as well. There are a lot of things that where you can contribute, okay? So have some specialization, learn some new technologies, and this area is vast area. You can contribute your research, okay, in this particular area, and you know, in this way you can serve a lot of companies, right? India will need 22 million skilled workers in 5G focused industry by 2030. Top IITs to pursue this specializations are IIT Madras, Bombay, Delhi and Kanpur. NITs are NIT Tirchi, Warangal and Rourkela, correct? Then next specialization is embedded system and IoT. This is also very important specialization. You have a lot to contribute in this area as well. And right now this is what we are watching everywhere right now, right? So talking about the scope, it has application in smart devices, right? Automotive electronics and home automation as well. High demand in Bosch, Texas Instruments, ARM and Samsung. Research in AI powered embedded solutions and automation. You know, IoT specialists are among the top fastest growing job roles by 2030. You are designing a car, but inside that car a lot of accessories are there, a lot of electronic driven things are there. Okay, you know, you are empowering them through embedded system and IoT technologies. You know, you have a lot of roles to play. Okay, so pursue your MTech in this sector and you can expect a very good growth. Top institutes are IIT Madras, Bombay, Hyderabad and Kharagpur. Top NITs are Tirchi, Surathkal and Calicut. Next specialization is signal processing and machine learning. Scope: applications are there in AI, artificial intelligence, biomedical imaging, speech processing and automation. Job roles are there in Google, Nvidia, Apple, right, and defense sectors like DRDO. Okay, a lot of research are going on. You can also contribute your research here. Research will be in AI driven real time application. If I talk about the growth, so expected to grow significantly by 2030 due to artificial intelligence, 5G, 6G, IoT and edge computing technologies that are incorporated with each other, right? Top institutes to pursue this specialization are IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, Delhi and Hyderabad, and top NITs are NIT Tirchi, Warangal and Calicut. Next specialization and the last specialization is electric vehicle technology, or you can also call it mobility engineering, right? Electric vehicle technology. You know, this sector is also growing like anything. It is expected that this sector is going to create 1 crore jobs globally. Okay, each and every country is focusing on this particular area. They are researching like anything in this particular area. This is the right time for you as well. Become the part of this specialization. Become the part of this, have your specialization in this area. Become the part of this industry, and you never know what kind of growth you are going to enjoy in future, right? It will, if I talk about the scope, so it focuses on new battery technologies in EV vehicle, motor designs, powertrain and energy efficient system, right? Develop fast charging networks and wireless charging solutions. Like right now, like you see the petrol pumps are everywhere. In future you will see that the charging stations will be there everywhere, right? You know, India is investing a lot of money in buying petrol and diesel from other countries, and India has planned to replace this particular thing. If that money will be invested back in India, our GDP will grow, the per capita income will grow, right? So India is planning to replace those petrol and diesel vehicle. India is planning to replace 30% of its vehicle by 2030 with electric vehicle. So you know what kind of growth, what kind of career opportunities are there in this particular specialization, right? So government worldwide are implementing policies and incentives to promote EV adoption, right? These EV purchasing EV vehicles have been incentivized by government as well. They are promoting these areas. The Indian EV market is expected to grow at a rate of 49% by in this particular duration of 2022 to 2030, right? And we are also watching this growth right now. Top institutes to pursue this specialization are IISc, IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, IIT Roorkee, right? Top NITs are NIT Tirchi and NIT Warangal. Many institutes are not offering this particular specialization directly. What you can do, instead of this, if suppose you are getting power electronics and drive, then you can take power electronics and drive as your specialization. Inside that specialization, you can research, you can dedicate your research to EV technology, right? Or mobility engineering. You can research among the motor design and energy efficient system, or inside that you can also research about the technologies and how fast charging network you can make, right? Power electronics has a very good role to play in this particular specialization. So all these are the top specializations, what you will study inside them, what is going to be the objective, what is their future scope, what are the top institutes, everything we have discussed in this particular video. Share this video, like this video, and subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed, okay, because this is a very important video. Share this video among the student group so that everybody will be benefited, right? So this is what I have discussed in this video. Now if you are preparing for GATE 26 and 27 and you are watching this video, you can join our live online program. You can prepare with us because we are giving you 800 plus hours of live classes. We are giving you exceptional theory material and exercise material. In terms of theory book, exercise book and GATE question bank, we are giving you personalized mentorship session, 130 plus online test as well. So you can join us by booking a counseling session on these numbers, okay? And if you want to taste our teaching and learning methodologies, you can join our zero fee program where we are giving you 50 hours of free content, 3 chapter and subject test, okay, and previous year GATE paper solution as well. One personalized mentorship session also you can have, so you can discuss how to prepare for GATE exam and all those things. These are our top rankers that we have produced. You know, you can be the next one as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that the doubts that you are having related to MTech specializations, all your doubts I have cleared in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.